What is this? Twin turbo V6?
Twin turbo V6. All right, brother. If you don't mind, can I take a picture? Because I want to post it, to be honest.
Okay.
You know, I want to show that I'm a hustler on my birthday.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, man.
You gonna get it tinted this week?
Probably so, man, if I can get an appointment, man, because I don't like riding fishbowl.
Yeah.
Especially being in Chicago, being at work and shit.
Yeah.
It's a
This exists everywhere, so you gotta watch. You gotta watch it.